Ever get a haircut and think, this isn't what I asked for? You're not alone, but most of the time it's not your stylist's fault. It's miscommunication. Let me show you how to fix that so you leave your next appointment actually loving your hair. First, know what you want. Bring photos. Don't just say a little off the sides. A picture says more than vague words ever could. And be realistic. If your hair isn't like the person in the photo, it won't come out the same. Use photos for inspiration, not duplication. Second, be specific with your words. Clean me up means nothing. Say things like, I want to keep the top around 3 inches and do a mid-fade on the sides. Even using your fingers to show length is more helpful than vague terms. If you're unsure, say so. A good stylist or barber will walk you through it. We'd rather explain than guess. Next, describe the vibe you're going for. Do you want clean and professional, messy and rugged, trendy and bold? That helps us match your cut to the feeling you want. Also, share your lifestyle. Do you work in an office? Go to the gym daily? Want something low maintenance? Your daily routine affects what style will work best for you. And don't be afraid to ask questions. If we say something that confuses you, ask. This is your haircut. You're not bothering us. You're being smart. During the cut, speak up if something feels off. Don't wait until the end. You can say, can we go shorter on top? Or, I was thinking more taper than fade. We can adjust, but only if you let us know. After the cut, ask what products to use. Even the best haircut won't work without the right styling. If you don't know what to use, just ask. And yeah, I've got products designed to make this simple, like my Tidal Wave sea salt spray that's basically your best friend in a bottle. Bottom line, the better you communicate, the better your haircut will be. So speak up, bring photos, ask questions, and treat it like a collaboration. If this helped, like and subscribe, and share this with someone who always complains about their haircut. Please subscribe to The Salon Guy and leave a comment if you enjoyed this new type of video. See you in the next one.